Now, once you have completed the table, we will look at the site of secretion. So hormones of the menstrual cycle is stimulated from two sites. First one is the pituitary gland, which is somewhere at your brain, somewhere beneath your brain. So pituitary gland is responsible for the secretion of luteinizing hormone, LH, and the follicle stimulating hormone. The second site of secretion for menstrual cycle hormones is the female reproductive system, specifically the ovary. So this is the female reproductive system. You have the vagina, the cervix, the uterus, our fallopian tube, as well as the ovary. So if we look at just the ovary itself, this is how the ovary looks like. So in the ovary, a female would have all of the follicles, the immature follicles. So every month as the follicle matures, the maturing follicle will release estrogen. On a monthly basis, during ovulation, the matured follicle will then be released from the ovary and enters to the fallopian tube to wait for fertilization to happen. So after the release of the matured follicle, the remaining substances will become what we know as the corpus luteum. So the corpus luteum is responsible for the secretion of progesterone. That is the two sites of secretion. We have our pituitary gland that is responsible for the secretion of LH and FSH, and our ovary, which is responsible for the secretion of estrogen and progesterone. So in your table, fill in that for FSH and LH, the site of secretion here would be the pituitary gland. For estrogen, it would be the ovary. Same goes for progesterone. But to be more specific, estrogen would be the maturing follicle in the ovary. The progesterone is secreted by the corpus luteum.